So go to canva.com. Now this is the free version. We are not using any paid version for creating our logo. Just logging in using the same email ID. Just keeping everything, and I am going to search over your YouTube channel logo. So once you search, you can see there are a lot of options which appear, and you can customize each one except those where it is mentioned as pro. So these are only ones which you can access once you have the pro account, the paid version. So I will search for whatever I like in the free versions, and then I will update that. Right. So just navigating through. I kind of like this. So now you can see you can customize this template. That means you can edit every aspect of this logo. So I will first change the color. You can do it anyhow. So I maybe suppose select this. I am creating for YouTube with Saave. I will edit the text size. I think I will change the color to red, and yeah, effects. YouTube with Saave. Okay, so this is fine as per me. I just click on share and click on download over here. So that's done. The logo is downloaded. So now we'll go and upload this logo file over here. So your profile picture, that is your logo file. I will upload it over here. You can see the logo has been updated, and I will click on publish.